your last passenger, do you speak Tagalog? Or?
Yeah, Tagalog.
Okay, and she was speaking to
So,
you.
3 languages. So, English, Tagalog, and so I'm not too hard to conversation with because you speak Tagalog. So, many language to speak Tagalog. Why you not try to speak Tagalog?
I'm not very good at it. I can understand though if you want to speak Tagalog.
Ah, you understand?
Yeah.
Ah! Nahirapan pa. Nauubos na yung bala ko eh. Do you know the bala?
Yeah.
Because more, sabi ko nga marami akong, hindi lang naman, baga marami rin akong foreigner na nakakausap, pero not all is good to English.
Yes.
Like my previous passengers from Turkey, then an organizer in Turkey, defense, what to call it, defense, about to weapon. So, isa siya sa mga isa siya sa mga representative. So, hindi siya masyadong marunong mag-English. So, does not speak good English. So, sa vlog ko, tinanong ko kung okay lang ba na i-upload ko yung video.